everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to do another unboxing of my cloth and paper subscription. This channel is all about productivity, functional, minimal, effective planning system, and tips on organization. So if you have not subscribed, do hit the subscribe button and the notification bell to be notified on my upcoming videos. And this is the March subscription. I've got to make a confession because in my previous video on the unboxing of cloth and paper, I have actually stated that it was a March unboxing, but it was a February unboxing. I got confused because I got the subscription around March, so I thought that was a March subscription, but this is the March subscription and my previous video is the February subscription. So for those who don't know, I have taken 3-month subscription, which is from February, March and April. So April is going to be my last subscription, but I'm probably going to continue. I'm quite excited to check out the March subscription, so let's get on to it. For those who are interested, this box was sent to me on 19th of March, but it only reached me on to Malaysia on 6th of April. So that took me about 18 days, if I'm not mistaken. So here's the card. What's inside is fog color bar lined notepad, email or call minimal task card set, circle sticky note set, quartz transparent page flags. Ooh, I'm gonna be excited with that. Journaling cards, cleaning inserts, half page cleaning inventory inserts, wave dashboard, logo file dashboard, and window dashboard. Ooh, I'm quite excited for this. So now, without further ado, let me open it. Alright, so this is the cleaning checklist. Oh, I guess I have to cut them. That's awesome. Quite excited with this. So there is the daily, weekly, monthly, and quarterly. Well, this comes in perfect time because I am currently doing a checklist for my planning, which is, I'm going to do a similar checklist as well: daily, weekly, monthly, quarterly, half yearly, and also yearly. So this is just perfect to add on to my checklist. Next is the journal cards. So I've got a calendar for the month of May, and the more grateful I am, the more beauty I see. I totally agree with that. Mary Davies. A fresh start isn't a new place, it's a new mindset. Good. And a calendar as well. I haven't still figured out what I'm going to do with my previous calendar, but let's see how it goes. So these are the, I believe, let me see, email or call minimal task card set. Wow, all of these are card sets. That's pretty cool. You can actually batch your task whenever you do email and also call. So this is really, really good for those who want to do that. And yay, page flags. I love the cloth and paper page flags because it's, I don't know, it's because the color is really, really awesome. I am so into neutral colors now, so getting all these goodies from cloth and paper in neutral colors, that is so awesome. So yep, I'm going to be excited. I'm actually thinking about buying more of these color page flags from the cloth and paper, but I still haven't decided what are the things that I'm going to get. Circle page flag set. Awesome. Awesome. So this is the palette volume 2 and it's transparent. Oh, this is going to be so great when I do my planning. This is really, really, really good. And what's this? I think this is the notepad, maybe? I'm just gonna tear this out. It's so difficult to put my hand inside. So this is the, let me see, fog color bar lined notepad. Yep, it is a notepad. I can do some brain dump in here. The paper quality is really good. I'm pretty sure the fountain pen, it's definitely fountain pen friendly because I can just feel it. And here are my dashboards. Okay, this is really good. I mean, I have actually stated in I have both A5 and the my Filofax Malden. This is my Filofax Malden, so this is just going to be great as my dashboard because I don't have any dashboard for this. And I also have a Filofax, I don't know what color this is. Wow, it looks so different in my video, but it's actually aqua green, but it looks completely different on the video right now. And it was also my work planner, but I have since moved on to Filofax Folio A5, which I have my Hobonichi in it. Well, okay, enough about that. So let's look at the dashboard. Nice. This is another dashboard. Logo file. A lover of words. Yep, that's me. I know. This is nice. Maybe I could add some things up there. Nice window. Ah, so this is the cleaning inventory. This is a cleaning inventory supply list. And there's a reminder here. I could list down all my supply list, or I could also use this for something else, you know, replace this with another topic maybe. Okay, I'm just going to take this out and going to put all of them into my personal Malden. Yep, there's quite a bunch of them. And this is the cleaning chores. So daily chores: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and notes. Okay, I need this to do some serious cleaning up around my house. I mean, it's not that my house is dirty or what, but this would be really good because I mean, I tend to miss out certain area to clean up. So this would be just perfect for me to organize my cleaning. So this is really good. Well, that's it in my collection right now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to move on to put all of them in my Filofax Malden. Maybe I'm going to put all this at the end of the Malden. I am still looking for time to actually set up my Filofax Malden. I'm just not able to do so because I'm so bogged with my work stuff. So you really got to sit down and plan your things, right? So yep, it's perfect. Okay, this one can move in front. I have to figure out a way how to put all this. So anyway, that's it. I hope you enjoyed my video. If you like this video, please click thumbs up and press the subscribe button to be notified with more of my videos. And thank you for watching. Bye.